Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It has been quite a while since I made a smoked dessert, and today we are doing just that, and one of the most quintessential desserts that you can have around the holidays or even like 4th of July, just screams Americana, an absolutely delicious apple pie. That's right, we're gonna make a smoked apple pie today on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. We're gonna make this pie in a 12-inch cast iron pan, and man, it's gonna be incredible. So I got all my ingredients here. I'm ready to go if you are, so let's get started. All right, before we get to the business of slicing some apples, we're gonna start with a topping. So I'm not gonna do a pie crust on the top, only on the bottom. The top's gonna be more like an apple crisp. So it's gonna be this sort of pie crisp hybrid. So in a food processor, I'm gonna start with 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar, followed by 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, about 1/2 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, about 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or pecans, pecan, whatever. Comment down below, pecan or pecan, or pecan, or pecan. About a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1 stick of butter that's been kind of cubed up into small cubes. This is chilled butter, not room temperature or softened. And that's important. Okay, with my ingredients added, now I'm gonna pulse this just until it's combined and crumbly. I don't want it like full on mixed. I just want it to be a nice crumbly mixture. All right, let's take a look. See what we're working with here. Yeah, nice little crumbly mixture. All right, perfectly crumbly. That's gonna be our topping. It's time to set this aside. All right, now for our apples. So I'm gonna peel and slice about 3 pounds of Granny Smith apples. Those are my favorite apples to use on an apple pie. You could also use Gala apples, but Granny Smiths, man, they are just incredible. So I'll show you one of these. We're just gonna slice right down the middle, and then face down, once again through the middle, once again through the middle. And now we'll kind of remove that core. Listen, if the apple slicing police are watching, sorry if I don't do this the way you do it. I may be the only one, but I find that it's easier to peel it when it's already sliced, because then there's just so much less to actually use. The name of the game is just getting them sliced, right? See, there's one. All right, nothing super interesting to see about slicing up a whole bunch of apples. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of these apples, and then we'll be back and I'll show you what our next step is. All right, there we have our sliced apples. Now to these apples, for my filling, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. Next, we're gonna come in here, secret ingredient, gonna add about 2.5 teaspoons of bourbon, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a little pinch of kosher salt. All right, and now we're just gonna mix that all together in there. Oh, wow. The smells that are coming out of this. Woo! You can really smell that bourbon coming out of there. It's a perfect addition to this mixture. Comment down below if you just want to kind of dip into this and just start eating these apples right out of the bowl. Because man, whew. All right, my apple mixture is done. Let's set this aside and let's get our pan. All right, using a stick of butter, I'm just gonna kind of grease this pan up a little bit. I want to make sure that nothing's sticking in there. Get these sides too. Now you certainly could go straight in with your filling, but I am going to kind of protect the integrity of that mixture on the bottom with a pie crust. Now this is just a pre-made store-bought pie crust. I'm gonna use my rolling pin, just kind of flatten it out just a bit here. Again, this is optional. All right, so let's bring over our cast iron, and then into that cast iron goes my pie crust. And part of the goal here is just getting it up the sides a little bit. Anytime a little hole appears, I can just sort of press that out, just like that. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. And now it's time to go in with our apple filling. Oh man, whoop, gotta run away. Oh man, woo! Just kind of smooth that out in there. Oh man, that's gonna be something. And now we come in with that delicious crumble topping that we made. We're gonna use all of this. Whoop, got a little clump. That's fine. Man, this smell right now is, I mean, can you smell it through your TV? Or through your iPhone or whatever it is that you're watching this on? Can you smell? Just imagine you can smell this. Imagine what it smells like. And there it is, friends. We are ready for the smoker. All right, so today I'm smoking this delicious dessert on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, and we're smoking today at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're smoking at something that high, I always like to supplement with a smoke tube, just so that I can get that extra smoky flavor, so that smoke tube is going in there as well. And there's nothing really about this that's not edible right now, so all we need is for everything to kind of cook up and bubble together nicely, which at 350 is probably going to take about an hour. I'm smoking today using the Pit Boss Apple Blend pellets, because why wouldn't you? It's an apple pie dish, obviously. But if you don't have apple wood, just use something that's a little bit of a lighter wood. You don't want to use something bold like mesquite or anything like that. You want to use a nice light wood. All right, let's go ahead and get it in the smoker, and we'll smoke it for about an hour. Alrighty, in we go. See you in an hour. All right, it has been exactly 2 hours. I've done nothing to this apple pie dessert. Just left it here in the smoke, so let's look at it after 2 hours. Oh, the bubble is real. Look at how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Wow. Woo, I just caught a whiff of it too. Man, that smell. All right, and here it is. Woo, man, just get a look at that. You can even hear it sizzling. Oh, smells amazing. And I wish so much that we could just dive into it right now, but obviously we can't. We need to let it cool. So we're gonna do that and then give it a try. All right, everyone, we've taken about 20 minutes to let this cool. It probably could use a little bit longer, but between me and you, I am so hungry to try this. Now, because we put that pie crust down, I'm gonna attempt to remove like a piece of this, like a piece of pie. Again, if it were really, really cool, that would be far easier. It's not, but you know, whatever. It's all going into the same place, so we're fine. So I'm gonna go kind of right here in the middle. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, yeah, there's no like straight up pie shape coming with this. I can just tell you right now. And let's go in here. Just like that. Now get ready for the gooeyest, just most delightful thing that you've seen in a long time. Ready? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. Now it would be awesome to just take some vanilla ice cream, pile it right on top there. I don't think I have any vanilla ice cream, and that's not the feature anyway. I want to try this. All right, now I cannot wait to try this apple concoction. I guess it's a pie, it's like a pie cobbler. It's like a pie blur. But I'll tell you, this recipe was not my idea. It was actually someone else's idea, and she should be right here. That's right. This is my daughter, Riley. This was her idea for me to make this, and we're gonna try this together. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right. So go ahead and get in there. You have to do this at the same time. Get some topping on there. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Ready? Homemade smoked apple whatever. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
It's so good.
So good. Tangy from those Granny Smiths. That brown sugar on the top. Oh, that little crumble just is so, so good. I can think of 2 words that really describe how this tastes. Can you think of 2 words? Mm-hmm. Why don't we say them at the same time, right? 1, 2, 3. Holy smokes! That is good. It's the perfect dessert for your family gathering, perfect dessert for the holidays, or just literally any time of the year. It's absolutely incredible. You gotta try this. Grab some apples, grab these ingredients that we put in this cast iron, get them in your smoker. You will not be sorry. And I guarantee you, if you make this for a family gathering, your guests will have trouble leaving the table where this is sitting. Well, thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up to give us a like. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. And turn on the post notifications by clicking the little bell so you're one of the first people to know as soon as we post new delicious outdoor cooking content. And if you have a sweet tooth like I do and like she does, check out this video right here. Point right there. Right there. This video, this is my peach cobbler made with fresh Georgia peaches. Do you remember that one?
Yes.
So good. And I'll see you next time.